Guys, Reset Gaming back here again, and this isn't a video game. Excuse me for the toboggan, I probably look like a punk. But we're out here at this playground, whatever. You probably can't see it, but it's way in the distance. But I had an idea Tuesday night, to come out here and do something a little fun. And I'm gonna show you what we're doing. Here it is. We've got an RC truck. I'm going to put the camera in there, and we kind of modified this little truck body to wrap around the camera. So we're going to start it up, I guess. So just turn the controller on, hold that down, get both green lights, and yeah, we're rolling. So I'm going to get you guys in there, and Guys, the camera shut off. I'll probably find a way to edit this together, but the battery died. So that, oh geez, my hands are freezing, goodness. I think that is probably about the end of this episode here. But just wanted to show you a quick look around what I used. I basically cut that from the front of the body. But yeah, then you guys were in this, but that is probably going to be about the end of this episode here, so we'll see you guys in the next one. See you guys later. Bye!